Welcome. Welcome to the 5-day challenge, accessing the extraordinary. To access extraordinary requires that you have lots more available energy, because energy organizes information into what we call reality. Just think for a moment that perhaps we're inside of an artificial intelligence program, and we live at a certain level of bandwidth experiencing ourselves in the world. And suddenly we need more bandwidth, we need more connection, more impact. We need more energy. You're going to be learning in these 5 days specific strategies where you could, take an inventory of your energy level. And you'll notice it when you do a certain process or procedure, what's going to wind up happening. You're going to notice, wow, my energy dropped, my posture dropped. Oh, instead of being happy, I'm sad. Instead of being happy, I'm joyous. You're going to be doing inventory of your life through strategies or lenses that change the amount of energy available, therefore change your experience of the world and your impact. I'm going to invite you to really look as if each of these days is about actually transforming your life, your goals, your mission, your impact, and your reality. Because that's my intention here. So be aware when we give you a strategy or I suggest an exercise to do, a practice, be aware of the energy differential. When I do it this way, energy drops. When I do it this way, energy rises. Be aware of your emotions, your thoughts. Something that was extremely painful for you suddenly may no longer be painful. In a moment, it may move from a wound to a gift. Instead of post-traumatic stress, it could be post-traumatic growth in a moment. In no way do I want to minimize what you've gone through or all the strategies you spend time learning to help manage or move away from or to have to become somebody. I'm just saying it's all based upon energy. Change energy available, you change your life. So be aware. Journal it, write it down. Share it with other people. What you're aware of is the experience of the change in energy, because that is the differential that gives you the ability to make a change in your life and impact others in all areas. And decide which areas would you like the most impact on. Different days you may choose different. One may be health or the sense of your body. Another may be relationship and intimacy. Another day may be business or finance or bringing your gifts to the world. When you focus on one of those areas, you'll find it's more practical for you in that way. And you may switch it around. Please share with the community. Share your experiences. See, whatever you participate with and share with people grows. Share your awareness of extraordinary. Even share your awareness of when energy is sucked out. Because as you become aware of that, suddenly you know, hey, I'm not doing that anymore. I'm doing this differently. That's where you can choose when you experience the difference. Share it with people. Share your stories. You are part of a community of humanity. You are seeking more because the future is seeking you. Welcome, and I'm excited to be joining you joining me, and all of us as we access the true extraordinary.